How to recover a disabled Instagram account. So let's get started. Now for that, first of all, you have to open up any browser in your mobile device. Here I will just open up the Chrome application. And in the search URL, type in disable Instagram account and search for it. After that, you will land with multiple search results. Among that, head over to the first link that says help.instagram.com and tap on it. After that, you will get to this interface. Here, scroll down a bit, and at the last paragraph, there is a link provided that says view this page, tap on it. Now, under this page, you have to choose the option that says my account was disabled and then tap on next. After that, you have to confirm the identity for your account. So, you have to enter the username, phone number, or email associated with your Instagram account that has been disabled. After you do that, tap on next, and Instagram will help you find your account and will help you recover or enable your Instagram account. But if this still doesn't help you, then what you can do is go back. Once again, go back. Now from this interface that says help center, scroll down a bit and then tap on no. Then tap on other. After that, you will get this description box where you can say that nothing is helping you out to recover your disabled account. So you want to recover your disabled account as soon as possible and then tap and submit. After you submit, the Instagram help center or support center will get your request, will overview your account and will get back to you and notify you and help you out to recover or enable your Instagram account. And you have to wait for an hour, a day, or any business hour to get help from Instagram support center. So that is the way to recover a disabled Instagram account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.